is Vegan this, and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat from I'm Storing. Thanks for watching. Right, we're going in. Nice and glorious outside, but we guys need to still carry on inside. Right. Last time we put more bulkheads. That one, a little bit there. So this time we will, what we'll do, I think we're going to do just up to here. It's pretty easier, do the smaller, another end, I think. Anyway, so this is not bad. The curvature is good. We want to replicate, and it's pretty much square. Right, plywood's ready. Got things. Let's do it. Let's go measuring. Here we go, it's perfect. We can work from that. I'll do time lapse if you don't want to see me measuring and all that nonsense. Easy, go. So, my template, and adjust the measurements. Measure twice, cut once, innit? Let's do it. You can probably freehand it, as this is going to be epoxy, so it doesn't really matter how bad it is. Awesome, let's do it. Perfect. Nice. Well, the key is go slowly and let the machine do the job. All the work. So I'm just gonna cut this edge now. And yeah, another edge. Right, let's see what we got. Check it out. One cut or two cuts? Should I take some tools down there or not? Alright, let's see if my skill improve or not. Since I start cutting this plywood, measuring. Mama! Oh yeah, mate. Perfect. Wow, impressive. Okay, let's do another side. That. We got this. So, we'll learn from the other side. This. There we go. Number 2. Let's check check it out. Right. Oh, please, please, please. Yes, yes, yes. Right, we're gonna measure this, do one more cut while we got all the tools out. That's gonna be it. Right, got that. Yes, good. You know what? That's good. Good. A couple corners, a little bit pull it out, but we're laughing. We're laughing. Happy days. Right. There we go, what we got. There still needs to go some cross beams underneath, so it's a little bit wonky, looks like wonky. But we got the size with temporary screw for now to keep them in place, and once a little bit better we're going to start doing sections and put this on, fiberglass in, fill, then cut the holes and then make hatches. That's another thing to need to think. Happy days. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please like and leave comment below.